How to convert SARSEP to Gold IRA Rollover. A SARSEP, Salary Reduction Simplified Employee Pension, is an older retirement plan still held by many long-term savers. As economic uncertainty rises, more investors are looking to move part of their savings into physical gold for stability. Converting a SARSEP to a Gold IRA rollover is a simple way to gain this protection while keeping tax advantages. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Key points to understand: a Gold IRA allows you to hold IRS-approved physical gold. A rollover helps you avoid taxes and penalties. The process requires the help of an IRS-approved custodian and depository. A direct transfer is the safest and simplest method. Steps to complete a SARSEP to Gold IRA rollover. 1. Open a self-directed Gold IRA. Select a custodian that specializes in precious metals. This type of IRA lets you hold physical gold instead of traditional paper assets. 2. Request a direct transfer. Contact your SARSEP administrator to start a trustee-to-trustee transfer. Funds move directly to your new Gold IRA without you touching the money, preventing unnecessary taxes. 3. Allow the funds to arrive. The transfer usually takes several business days. Once the funds settle, you can begin purchasing gold. 4. Choose IRS-approved gold. Work with a reputable precious metals dealer. Only gold that meets IRS standards, such as certain bullion bars and coins, can be added to your Gold IRA. 5. Store your gold in an approved depository. Gold must be stored in a secure, IRS-approved facility. Your custodian will handle storage arrangements and record keeping. Why investors consider this move: gold helps hedge against inflation and market swings. It provides long-term financial stability. A rollover maintains tax advantages while expanding diversification. Completing a SARSEP to Gold IRA rollover is a practical way to protect retirement savings with a tangible asset like gold. By choosing the right custodian, following IRS rules, and using a direct transfer, the process remains smooth and penalty-free. This simple shift can strengthen your financial foundation and add security to your long-term retirement strategy. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.